Has the upheaval in the war definitely begun in Ukraine, and will Ukraine, with the offensive in the south, take the initiative from the sluggish Russian army? Military experts believe that this is a real possibility and that it is happening right now. After the statements of former American generals who believe that HIMARS stopped the Russian offensive, now military expert denies Popovich is saying that it's reasonable to expect a supply of Western weapons will enable Ukraine to bring the war to a conclusive point. "I don't think it's too ambitious," said Popovich. "We're all eager for it all to end as quickly as possible, preferably by winter. So I welcome such objectives, the liberation of the southern territories of Ukraine, as outlined by Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky. And I think weapons and ammunition supplies are planned accordingly. It's important to have realistic, achievable goals." The US-based Institute for the Study of War earlier assessed that Russia intends to capture more Ukrainian territory before attempting to hold on to its conquests by declaring an annexation of the seized lands. Russian Donbas proxies claim the whole of Donetsk Oblast will be captured by the end of August. At the same time, a Ukrainian journalist and expert on the Donbas, Serhiy Harmash, is convinced Moscow will fail to establish control over the whole of Donetsk Oblast, but will still hold a series of sham referendums to legitimize its territorial gains in Ukraine. According to Harmash, there are 3 key dates to look out for: September 11, October 7, and December 30, Federal Voting Day in Russia, Russian dictator Vladimir Putin's 70th birthday, 100th anniversary of the creation of the Soviet Union, respectively. Russian troops have made no significant territorial gains since the Ukrainian retreat on July 2 from the eastern city of Lysychansk under withering artillery fire. The retreat gave Russia full control over Luhansk, one of the 2 oblasts, or regions, that make up the broader eastern Donbas area, and it marked Russia's only meaningful strategic success since its retreat from territory around Kyiv in April. Western officials and analysts suspect that the Russians are close to exhausting their capacity to make further territorial gains as their depleted army confronts Ukrainian forces with newly acquired capabilities. Already forced to abandon their hopes of capturing the capital, Russian forces may soon have to reckon with their inability to conquer the entirety of the Donbas region, the only publicly declared goal of the initial invasion and the focus of current offensive ambitions. Russia may succeed in capturing 1 or 2 more of the Donbas towns in its immediate line of fire, such as Siversk and nearby Bakhmut, but it is hard to see its existing army pressing much farther than that. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.